Anastasia, are you relatively impressed that the Dow week to date is up a third of 1% in light of quite a lot of volatility and quite a lot, certainly the lows today, of a pullback in the tech stocks?
Yeah, well, if it does make sense to me that the broad market is not overly fazed by what's going on elsewhere. And the reason I say that is because we're now squarely in the reflation part of the business cycle. Reflation meaning you've got higher inflation expectations and you've got higher rate expectations as well. And so even though rates are going up, but we know historically that the market broadly tends to go up in more than 70% of instances when those two forces are in play. So I'm not surprised that the broad market is doing what it's doing, but it is interesting to see the nuances under the surface and some of the froth that is coming out of some of those sectors. I see that as a very healthy development. I love to see that the clean energy stocks have pulled back by now 20%, and some of the electric vehicle shares are pulling back as well. Some of the high flyers and software tech are also pulling back. I think that's a development that we needed to see because, frankly, it makes those sectors that we very much like for the secular potential a lot more investable once they have experienced those pullbacks. So we needed a catalyst. We got it. It was more than a 30 basis point backup in yields in a short period of time. So I'm actually encouraged by the price action that we're seeing.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.